Today we have a 2012 Acura TL. We'll be replacing the front brakes and rotors. I'll be showing you the passenger side, which is the exact same on the other side. First thing I'm going to do is open the bleeder valve here. And instead of using a brake caliper tool, I'm going to use my pry bar. And basically pry right here, right around here, and just basically pushing it forward so that we can reset the piston caliper. So now with the piston reset basically on the caliper here, I'm going to close this valve back up. And then with the number 17, I'm going to remove the 2 bolts. Oops, that just splashed me. Great. The 2 bolts to hold the caliper onto the bracket, one up here and one down here. So go ahead and remove those 2 17s and swing this up. Now with the caliper out the way, we're going to come back here. 2 number 19s, one on the bottom, one on the top. We're going to remove that to get the bracket out the way, and also using our little impact hammer tool, I'm going to remove these 2 Phillip heads and get the rotor. So now that I have all this removed, I'm just going to replace the rotor. But real quick, a little hint. If you see that this is all kind of rusted up, this one just kind of popped out easily right when I took these screws off. But most of the time, it will be pretty much seized up like that on there. You add 2 like 10mm bolts right here. I think like the thread pattern is like 1.25 or something. You can pretty much just push it off and it'll just come right off easily. So let's go ahead and get this replaced. And then at the same time, I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the bracket for the caliper here. But before we do so, we're going to take these out and we're going to grease these up and then bolt those 2 19s back in. New rotor installed, new brake pads, brackets on, greased up these pins. Now I'm just going to throw on the caliper, bolt those down, and we'll be almost done. Okay guys, so everything is installed now. I'm just going to spray some brake cleaner and get all this cleaned up and we're done. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.